Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video going to be a really short one. It's going to be how to get to Cala Nova, and we're going to be leaving here, which is the Coral Beach Hotel. So if you're walking from any other part of Es Canar, then just head to Coral Beach and you'll find this road will take you up to Cala Nova. There's the Coral Beach Hotel, and you want to be heading up this road here. Signpost is there, Cala Nova, so you can easily spot it. And let's head up the road. So the road is just a straight road heading up, and hopefully don't have to go too far. There is actually a really nice hotel on the right here, which you can just about see through the trees, I think. That has some fantastic views over the bay. One to maybe book next time. The road sort of brings you down this bit here, and you've got a little bar and restaurants and a few other bits and pieces, and the beach itself. So we're going to check that out now. If you're arriving by car, there is car parking available. I'll show you there. So I'm presuming all these parking spaces by the side of the road here are free, which is why it's all full, and the car park is practically empty where you have to pay. So over there is the campsite if you're wanting to camp here at Cala Nova, and the souvenir shop next door, and we'll head down hopefully towards the beach. Walk down here past this nice little bar, and there's a bit of a kids play area there, and down towards the beach. So we've got all this boardwalk area to go left or right. I'm not sure which way. Yep, I'm going to head this way. Just had me instructions from Mrs. Out and About with Andy. I presume that the boardwalks are here to preserve the environment, which seems to be the case a lot of time in Spain, where they do this to stop people wandering aimlessly and destroying the local vegetation, which is a good idea, and it looks pretty cool too. That's the surf school there, but a few boards and things there. Looks like it's seen better days. Gotta say, it's really warm with all these shrubs and trees. It's acting like a windbreak, and it's absolutely roasting here right now. Even though the sun is actually behind the clouds today, it's still very, very warm. So folks, that's our little walk how to get to Cala Nova from Hotel Coral Beach, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.